Cleaning can seem like a daunting task, but having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll show you the must-have cleaning essentials for a sparkling home. Microfiber cloths are an essential tool for any cleaning arsenal. They are super absorbent, lint-free, and can be reused countless times. Use them for dusting, wiping down surfaces, and even cleaning windows. For tackling tough grime and dirt, you'll need a good scrub brush. Look for one with stiff bristles and a comfortable grip. Use it on floors, grout, and even outdoor surfaces like decks and patios. A good quality vacuum cleaner is a must-have for any home. Look for one with a powerful motor and adjustable settings to handle different surfaces. Use it to clean carpets, area rugs, and even upholstery. For hard floors, you'll need a mop and bucket. Look for one with a microfiber mop head and an easy-to-use wringer. Use it to clean tile, hardwood, and laminate flooring. An all-purpose cleaner is a versatile tool that can be used on almost any surface. Look for a mild formula that won't damage surfaces. Use it to clean countertops, sinks, and even appliances. And there you have it, the must-have cleaning essentials for a sparkling home. With these tools, cleaning will be a breeze and your home will always look its best.